Hello, welcome to the 58th session of the first BSc Physics paper of BSc course in Coimbatore University. Today, I am talking on the surface tension and excess of pressure within a curved surface. So, to calculate the excess of pressure inside a curved surface, some of the basic definitions like definition for the surface tension, pressure, etc. are required. The surface tension is defined as the force acting per unit length drawn on the surface of a liquid. Excess of pressure. Pressure is the force per unit area acting on the surface. Now to calculate the excess of pressure within the curved surface, I have considered a continuous line surface area A, B, C, D shown by the continuous surface, and if we apply pressure to the curved surface, then the surface area of the curved surface increases. To increase the surface area, we need to work on the surface. Then the increased surface area is given by the dot shown by the dotted area E, F, G, H. So the potential energy or the work done is given by surface energy into the surface area equals T into X into dy plus Y into dx. Also, the potential energy or the work done is given by force into the displacement P into xy into dz. Comparing the above two equations, we will get Pxy into dz equals T into x into dy plus y into dx. On mathematical calculations and simplification, we will get the final expression as P equals T into 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2. So from this equation, we can calculate the pressure for the spherical and cylindrical surfaces. In case of spherical surface, the P is given by 2T divided by R. For cylindrical surface, it is given by P equals 4T divided by R, where P equals the excess of pressure in the curved surface, T is the surface tension, and R the radius of the surface. So for this topic, you can go through the books or Murgeson Properties of Matter and D.S. Mathu Elements of Properties of Matter. We will continue our discussion in the next session. Thank you.